Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wajid Khan Afridi and my YouTube channel name Code with Wajid. So if you guys now subscribe my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video we talking about how to learn a Python and why we learn a Python and why we choose a Python and why Python is one of the best option in all of the languages, computer languages like Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, and this list of the computer programming languages, Python one of the best to choose. So why we choose Python to learn and why it is really important in 2022? Keep in mind please guys, Python one of the best language. It is general purpose language, which is means you guys when you are learn a Python you will do every kind of work like mobile applications development, like web development, like machine learning, like data science, like GUI and graphic user interface work. So all of any kind of work you will do easily in Python language. So why will you not choose a Python? If you learn a JavaScript, you will be do only a web development work, and also you will be do a mobile application development. Is a limit libraries offer JavaScript. To compare a PHP only used for web development, not for mobile application development, not used for machine learning development, not used for a data science, only used for web development. If you choose Java, so you will be develop a mobile applications, you will develop a desktop applications, you will develop a web applications, but it is a very hard to learn, it is a very hard to use. So to compare a Python, so Python is a general purpose language which is very used to use the syntax very easy. if, if you think about programming languages, so programming languages is a very hard to learn, but a Python language syntax is too easy to learn. So therefore is my best choice to learn a Python. And also if you interested in a web development, so you will learn a Django web framework for web development. So it is a too easy and you will do the very fast backend development of web development in Django. So Python offers Django Plus for web development, and also if you want to make a web development, it means if you want to make a web application in a Python language, so you must be use a library of a web framework Django. If you want to make prediction web applications, so you easily use a machine learning concept and also artificial intelligence concept. You also use a machine learning algorithm in your web application if you build in a Django. If you build in a PHP, if you create any kind of web application in a PHP, you never will use a artificial intelligence concept and also machine learning algorithms in your web application. But if you build in a Python Django, and Django you will easily use machine learning algorithm. So therefore a Python one of the best language, and also a lot of features like machine learning, data science, automations, beautiful soup for web scraping, and also mobile application development libraries. A lot of work you will do in any kind of work you will do in a Python language. So therefore one of the best option you will guys you choose this. And also this is a sample picture, reasons behind increasing diamond for a Python. So just a few pictures available, and there's a huge pictures, so data science, machine learning huge, and also simplicity, salary, everything is the best, web development, jobs and growth, automation libraries and frameworks. So in Python language you will do any kind of works. So my suggestion for you guys, If you want to learn a computer language, so my first option for you guys to choose a Python, and you will start a basic Python. If you completed a basic Python, then you will learn object-oriented programming, and then you will learn a GUI, Tkinter libraries, and then you will move to web development like Django. Django offer MVT model view template. You will fastly do the web application. You will fastly build any kind of web application in a Django. And nowadays in the marketplace, the Django web application and also Django developer is a very huge salary. So this is a good advantage for you guys to learn a Python. And also if you want to use a machine learning algorithms and your web application, so if you build a web application in the Django frameworks, you will easily implement your prediction algorithms or a lot of artificial intelligence concept you will build in your web application. If you build in more languages like Java, like PHP, like JavaScript, it's very hard to implement an artificial intelligence concept in your web application. So therefore, Python one of the best choice for you guys. And then nowadays a lot of company use a Django framework, like, and also Python artificial intelligence concept and also data science. So a lot of companies, this is a picture is given some company names: Facebook, Netflix, Google, Instagram, Amazon, Quora, Slack, Intel. A lot of companies nowadays use Python, different kind of libraries like machine learning, like artificial intelligence, like and Django, Flask, and also Tkinter, beautiful. So a lot of libraries and also concept present in the Python. And how to learn, YouTube is the best option. If you search in Google and also in YouTube how to learn a Python, if you for example you learn a Django web framework, so how you you search here, you write here Python Django tutorial. So see here, a lot of content present in YouTube. You will easily learn any kind of problems and any kind of concept in Django. This is a Python web framework, so a lot of content present. See, this is the best best YouTube channel to learn Python. And also Gigi Show is one of the best and handy YouTube channel to learn a Django. And also if you want to learn a data science in Python, you will search. So data science Python content, a lot of content present in YouTube, like Free Code Camp, one of the best programming channel. You will learn for this YouTube channel. And also a lot of YouTube channels present and also content present, like Python data science, like machine learning, artificial intelligence, GUI, and also mobile application as well. So this is the right time to choose a Python, not more languages. Okay, Python one of the best choice from me, and also I hope you also like this Python. So guys, in the coming time I will upload a good content related to Python language and also more related to IT. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel.